Hey everyone, welcome back to our videos. Today we have something exciting to talk about, the incredible application scenarios of our popular ND-BD003 Handheld Anti-Drone System. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of ND-BD003 and explore the diverse application scenarios where it proves to be a game changer in the anti-drone industry. Let's get started. Firstly, our ND-BD003 could be perfectly deployed for protecting airports. Picture this, a compact anti-drone device that safeguards our airport skies. ND-BD003 not only spots RAG drones, but also takes swift action to jam them, ensuring the safety of our airports, from detecting unauthorized drones to swiftly neutralizing potential threats. This handheld device is a game changer in airport security. Our ND-BD003 stands out for its all-in-one functions and outstanding performance, offering comprehensive protection for large stadiums. With advanced detection and jamming capabilities, ND-BD003 swiftly identifies and neutralizes potential risks, securing your venue seamlessly. It is a comprehensive choice for perimeter patrol and ensure your spotting events unfold seamlessly within a secure environment. This high-tech system is your ultimate solution for prison security. This state-of-the-art device is expertly designed to detect and prevent unauthorized drones around or within the prison areas, ensuring the safety and integrity of prison facilities. How to secure the ports with the ND-BD003 Handheld Anti-Drone System? Well, with specially designed to counter unauthorized drone activities, this cutting-edge device offers unparalleled protection for port areas, easy to operate and highly effective. Our ND-BD003 ensures that the port operation remains safe and undisturbed, safeguarding both infrastructure and cargo against potential aerial threats from unauthorized drones. Trust the ND-BD003 for a safer, more secure port environment. Today, we have discussed a few important application scenarios for our ND-BD003 handheld anti-drone system. However, in reality, its applications are far from limited to these. If you are interested in its more applications or features or functions, please feel free to reach out to us. Contact us via email at info@nqdefense.com or visit our website at www.nqdefense.com for further details. We look forward to connecting with you and assisting with your security and defense solutions.